Struggling to find a rolling duffel bag that's spacious yet easy to maneuver? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Amazon Basics 35-inch Rolling Duffel. The Amazon Basics 35-inch large rolling duffel bag. Priced at $95.09, this bag caught my attention with its durable ripstop polyester material and spacious design. If you want a reliable bag that can handle the rigors of travel, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's break down why this bag might be your next travel companion. It features a telescopic handle and inline wheels for smooth navigation through busy airports and streets, which means you can glide past everyone while keeping your essentials secure. With dimensions of 35 by 15.98 by 15.98 inches and weighing just under 5 kilograms, it offers ample space for longer trips. The multiple compartments allow you to organize your items easily, so you're not digging through a bottomless pit for your phone charger. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often pack multiple outfits or sports gear into your bag, the Amazon Basics duffel can hold it all without breaking a sweat. It's already gained popularity with over 900 units sold in just the past month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the bag lacking water resistance. Here's the thing though, unless you're caught in a downpour, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for most scenarios, especially if you're traveling by car or plane. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy, spacious bag for long trips. Skip this if you often travel in wet conditions and need extra water protection. For what you get, it's a solid value for money. Now, if the price of the Amazon Basics bag is a bit high for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Travelers Club 32-inch Midguard Bag. The Travelers Club 32-inch Midguard Expandable Rolling Travel Bag. At just $29.50, it's a budget-friendly option that caught my eye with its impressive durability features. If you're looking for a solid bag without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth your time. This bag has a heavy-duty wide webbing design that ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of travel. The potted grip handle and inline blade wheel system make it easy to maneuver even in crowded spaces. With a single large compartment, it provides enough space for a weekend trip or a short getaway, giving you the freedom to pack everything you need without worrying about space. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who prefers a straightforward, no-frills bag for light travel, this could be your go-to. It's already gained traction with over 500 units sold recently, indicating its popularity among budget-conscious travelers. Now, some users mentioned that the bag isn't water-resistant, which can be a drawback if you're caught in the rain. But honestly, if you're just using it for sunny trips or weekend getaways, it's not a significant issue. This bag is perfect for you if you're looking for simplicity and value. Skip this one if you need extensive compartments or water resistance. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal for casual travel. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more organized packing. Product number 3. Foldable Rolling Duffel by Aliexpress. The third pick is the Foldable Rolling Duffel Bag by Aliexpress, priced at just $28.49. I was genuinely surprised by its foldable design, which is super handy for travelers who often buy souvenirs. If you're looking for a versatile bag that saves space, this one's a must-see. The bag expands to a generous 80 liters, making it perfect for 3 to 4 days worth of travel gear. The U-shaped opening allows for easy access to your belongings, so you won't find yourself rummaging around. With a lightweight design and crafted from durable, tear-resistant polyester, it's built to last while not weighing you down. Plus, it features heavy-duty wheels for easy mobility, which is so important when you're rushing to your gate. Here's why this matters. If you're prone to overpacking or need an extra bag for unexpected items, having this foldable option can really save the day. With over 400 units sold recently, it's clear that others find the same value. Now, some reviews pointed out that the material isn't fully waterproof. Here's the thing though. It's water resistant enough for most situations, and if you're careful, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and need an adaptable bag. Skip this one if you plan to travel in excessively wet conditions. Honestly, for its sturdy build and versatility, it's an absolute bargain. Now, if you need a bag that's specifically designed with style and durability in mind, the next product might be the one for you. Product number 4, Wrangler Wesley Duffel Bag. The Wrangler Wesley Rolling Duffel Bag retailing for $55.99. This bag caught my eye with its stylish design and authentic Wrangler branding. If you want a bag that combines fashion with functionality, you should definitely check this one out. The Wrangler Wesley features a spacious main compartment and multiple zip pockets to keep your essentials organized. It meets check-in suitcase requirements with its 30-inch size, which means you can avoid extra fees at the airport. The lightweight yet durable nylon materials make it ideal for frequent travelers, and the heavy-duty blade wheels ensure effortless mobility. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who values style while traveling, this bag allows you to travel chicly without sacrificing capacity. It's gaining attention with over 300 units sold recently, hinting at its growing popularity. Now, some buyers have noted that the bag could use more compartments. Here's the thing though, if you're not someone who needs a ton of pockets, this shouldn't be an issue, and the main compartment is spacious enough for most needs. This is perfect for you if you want a fashionable yet practical rolling duffel. Skip this if you prefer more organizational features. For the price, it balances style and utility well. Now, if you're seeking something a bit lighter for more casual trips, the last product on my list might just hit the mark. Product number 5, Rockland 36-inch Rolling Duffel. We have the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag Black, priced at $31. This bag stands out with its 5 exterior pockets, making it an excellent option for organized packing. If you need a bag that keeps your items easily accessible, this is the way to go. With dimensions of 36 by 14 by 15 inches and weighing 6.25 pounds, it offers ample storage while remaining portable. The heavy-duty plastic stand adds extra durability, ensuring it can handle rough travel conditions without falling apart. It's designed to be easy to carry, and the multiple pockets mean you can store everything from shoes to toiletries separately. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who likes to keep things separate and tidy, those exterior pockets can save you a lot of hassle. It's also managed to sell over 300 units recently, showing that it's resonating with users. Now, some folks mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to other bags, but honestly, if you value storage and accessibility over compactness, this is a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you need a bag that offers great organization for long trips. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact. For its price, it delivers excellent value for organized travelers. So to wrap it up, we've explored 5 fantastic rolling duffel bags: the Amazon Basics for durability, the budget-friendly Travelers Club, the foldable Eurytion, the stylish Wrangler Wesley, and the organized Rockland. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Amazon Basics 35-inch because of its spaciousness and robust design. I'd suggest avoiding the Travelers Club if you need water resistance.